This beach house on the Mississippi coast might just be one of the best beach vacation spots out there. With electric bikes, beaches, and brunch, this place is sure to float your boat. So, we'll be giving you a full tour of this incredible spot and show you what it's like to stay here for a night. And we can't wait for you to see this beautiful beach. This house is up on stilts, so it gives a lot of space down here that the hosts have really used well. Back behind me here, these are a couple of electric bikes from our sponsor, Mount. I'll give you some more information on that later, but we are so excited to jump on these and go down the beach. Back behind me here, coming into the fenced-in fun area, as you could call it. Right over here, we've got a ping pong table, some cornhole boards, a nice wooden swing, and a very large picnic table back behind there. And then lots of seating right here, very comfortable chairs, perfect for sitting and watching the large TV right up here. You've also got an outdoor kitchen space, perfect for grilling, having some drinks, and a good time out here. And then right back behind me here are these really cool egg swings. If you're a host with an amazing Airbnb that you want us to feature, you can reach us at journeymore.com by filling out the contact form. To my right, we've got a little lounge pool with a nice umbrella and seating area. And then out behind it is a playground, perfect for kiddos. And then right over here, we've got a beautiful white brick chimney fireplace with some nice benches. And then this gorgeous tree that goes up over the house actually has a really cool net swing. And then over here to my right is actually one of our favorite features, especially being here at the beach, is an outdoor shower. So you can wash off before you go up and get the house messy. Another cool thing that they provide is croquet, and there's plenty of space in the yard to set it up and have a good time with it. I think that pretty much sums up the outdoor area of this beautiful Airbnb. So I'm gonna swap it over to Nikki, where she's gonna show you the inside.
Before we go inside, if you're enjoying this video, please like it and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We would love to take you along on all our adventures and Airbnbs. Right when you walk through the front door, you come into this beautiful open floor plan that is lit up so bright with all of the windows and doors surrounding. Starting off, you have this living space with a large L couch that can fit everybody in the whole family. Over here, you've got a cute little seating area with these hats, which is such a cute touch. Flowing from the living room into the dining area, you've got a large table with plenty of seating, and then we keep going into the beautiful kitchen. Right here, you've got this grand island with bar seating on the other side, and this kitchen is fully stocked with everything you need for a meal, including all of the main appliances. Plus, I love the white and marble finishes. It's just beautiful. Again, this space is lit up by all of these double doors, and I love it because it leads out to a screened-in porch. They've got lots of comfortable outdoor seating behind me with a cute little kids table, and for the big kids table, you've got a long farmhouse wooden table with lots of seating around it. Moving back inside, coming across the living room area, we've got our first set of bedrooms. Before we get there, we have this little cart with some extra goodies. Off to this side is a half bath that's shared amongst everyone up here. And then coming into the kids' bedroom. So in here, you've got 2 twin beds with 2 twin trundle beds. You can fit 4 kiddos in here and bring the whole family. They also have a TV and plenty of storage. Right here, we've got a Jack and Jill bathroom. It has a full rainfall shower with a bathtub and a vanity with lots of marble touches. And then moving into this connected bedroom, you've got a queen bed with cute decorations, TV for entertainment, and closet for storage. And then continuing out this way, you've got another side porch. So this side porch is also screened in. It has a cute little couch across from a faux fireplace and TV. And then this super cute egg chair is so fun that you can also sit in and enjoy this outdoor space. And now we're gonna go towards the master bedroom.
Real quick, we want to say thank you to our very first video sponsor, Mount. Mount has created a platform that gives short-term rental hosts an easy way to provide more of an experience rather than just a stay by offering amazing amenities that guests can rent and use during their stay. This includes anything from golf carts to private chefs and these amazing electric bikes we rented to explore all around this beautiful beach home. All we had to do was download the Mount app to our phone, scan the QR code on the bike, and choose the amount of time that we would ride. Then the app gave us the code to the locks, and we were off. This not only provides guests the opportunity for a greater experience, but it also helps hosts to seamlessly upgrade their rentals. You can learn more at rentmount.com or follow them on Instagram and TikTok, which we will link all of those in the description below. Now back to the tour.
Off the kitchen, before you go to the master bedroom, you've got this really cool antique door that is partitioning another little kitchenette area. In here, you've got the microwave, toaster, and Keurig because for most of us, coffee is important. And then right here, they have another antique door partitioning one of my favorite spots of the house. So right in here, they have a laundry room for those with family and extended stay. And then they have 4 built-in bunk beds. That is so cool. In this little hallway formation. I love it. They've got these little stairs that lead up to the top bunks with some cute decorations and a door that leads out to the screened-in porch. Let's go to the master bedroom. So in here, you have a king bed that felt like I was slipping into a cloud last night. They also provide some complimentary teas, chocolates, and bath bombs for another favorite of mine. But before we get there, there's this closet that has something very intentional in it. It is actually a bed for a baby with a little changing table that can also double as a vanity, as well as a high chair and lots of storage for those who want to bring their child. It is a perfect place for you. And last but not least, this incredible bathroom. So when you walk in here, you see this impressive stone bathtub, perfect for relaxing. They provide some complimentary bubble bath, and it's right across from a TV so you can really get away. They also have a double vanity and another shower that has beautiful tile floor to ceiling. This bathroom is gorgeous.
Before we jump on these bikes and take them to the beach, we're gonna go grab a bite to eat.
This place is so cute. I've got my coffee and we're waiting on some really yummy food, or so we hope.
Thank you. This looks so good.
Wow.
Time to take these bikes to the beach.
So, Hayden and I made it to the beach. We rode our bikes for a little bit, and now we're gonna enjoy the water. And there's a couple of chairs that some locals left, so we are super thankful for that. And now we're gonna play some ping pong.
Got 110. What did you get?
Only 95.
So many good options. That's what I think. And that is looking good.
Wow. So pumped. This is amazing.
That is so good. Oh man. Thank you.
Gosh, that looks amazing. Thanks.
It smells like a toasted marshmallow.
Really? Wow, there's like so many flavors that just keep hitting me.
Wow, that dinner was absolutely amazing. We ate at the Thorny Oyster in the Bay St. Louis area. Our lunch earlier today was also good. So the Bay St. Louis area is a great spot for when you come here. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. We'd love to take you along on all of our adventures and Airbnbs.